Hey everybody, Rob Nelson here. I'm in the middle of a beautiful rainforest at the moment, and I want to share with you the top 10 things that you can do right here in the Amazon rainforest. Check it out.
¡Hey! ¡Bravo! ¡Eh!
Curious, what are your top 10 things? If you have something different, leave it in the comment section below. Obviously, if you're planning on coming on a trip, I think you're going to really enjoy it. What are some things that you might have wanted to do? Comments below. I'm leaving links in the description for, if you're interested in doing a trip like this. It really is an amazing trip with some amazing lodges, with some amazing people. They're all run by local guides down here, and by coming down here, we are doing our part to help provide an income for the people here to conserve the rainforest. So it's really important. And yeah, we'll see you in another video.